Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about with realme phone Bluetooth device forget setting. Friends, you want to forget your Bluetooth speaker and guess you have connected any Bluetooth device and friends you want to forget it. So friends, how can you forget this Bluetooth device network in your realme phone? In this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So when first of all open your phone setting to forget the device, then guys scroll it and friends you can see guys your Bluetooth setting. Friends, tap here. So as you can see guys, we have connected the JBL Go company Bluetooth speaker and friends we want to forget this speaker. So friends, how can we forget this Bluetooth speaker? Right side icon guys, you can see guys, tap here and guys you can see device name and unpair option. So friends, you want to change guys this Bluetooth speaker device name, so guys you can change, and guys you want to disconnect, you can disconnect. But friends, we want to forget, so guys click on this unpair option to forget. Then it will forget to your phone, then guys you cannot use as you want to use, so you will have to connect again. So I hope friends you've understood how to forget Bluetooth speaker to our realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.